In the series of alcohols, today we are going to discuss about the acidic and basic properties of alcohols. Why alcohols show acidic as well as basic property, what is the property and why they are acidic or basic. Let us discuss. Alcohols are what? They are ROH and they have amphiphotic nature. They shows acidic as well as basic properties. We can write alcohol as ROH, as earlier we know. They have amphiphotic nature. That means both acidic as well as alkaline. This is alcohol. When we add hydrogen ion or acid with this, the hydrogen ion adds on this oxygen which has a lone pair of electrons, and the alcohol converts into with positive charge. Hydrogen is here and one more hydrogen adds here, and then oxygen adds hydrogen. If this is the acidic properties, this is base, it reacts with acid and forms a conjugate acid. Similarly, if any alcohol loses a proton, gives up a proton, it converts into, this is oxygen and hydrogen is removed from here, and this oxygen is with a positive charge because it loses it with negative charge, because it gains a extra electron. This is oxonium ion, and now this is acid and this is conjugate base of this acid. We know the stability of any compound is equivalent to their reactivity. Means more stable, more unreactive. Unreactive, that means it is more stable. So now we will see the oxonium ion or the conjugate acid or conjugate base is more stable, or the basic or acidic alcohols are more basic. We know that pKa value is more. If the pKa value is more, or we can say the Ka value, if a Ka value is more, then pKa value is low. Here in case of alcohols, the pKa value is equivalent to 15.9. That means it is quite high pKa value. That is why it is low acidic. It is a weak acid, or we can say it is a weak acid. If pKa value is low, then it is strong acid. In case of alcohols, the pKa value is nearly 15.9. So they are weak acids. Alcohols are weak acids. Acetic acid. The pKa value is nearly 4.8. Is also a weak acid because pKa value is low, but better than alcohols. The pKa value is still better. first we will write why alcohols are acid, how alcohols are acid. Suppose in this reaction we can write alcohol like this, with positive charge on oxygen. This is hydrogen and this is one more hydrogen. This is a conjugate acid of alcohol. Suppose we take structure like this, and when we use nucleophilic substitution reaction in presence of methanol is used as a medium, we think that methanol is a solvent, but it is not only a solvent. It reacts with it gives H plus ion, it reacts with methanol and play important role. What is the reaction? The H2SO4, which is strong acid, reacts with CH3OH. Here it acts as a base. This is acid and it accepts electron from this. One H plus ion goes to this and it converts into HSO4 plus CH3OH H, and here the positive charge. It conjugate acid. This is conjugate base. If it acts as a weak acid, OH converts into oxygen, this negative charge plus H ion, stronger base, weak acid. The reaction in which the alcohol shows acidic nature are, suppose this is R and this is alcohol OH, when they react with sodium, two molecules of alcohol reacts with two molecules of sodium, they forms alkoxides plus H2 gas. Similarly, alcohols reacts with sodium hydride and forms RONA plus H2, deliberate gas. This reaction shows the acidic property of alcohol, shows the acidic properties of alcohol side. We have methoxide ion, we have ethoxide ion and tertiary butoxide ion. Here structure is CH3, O negative, O negative, O negative. Due to the methyl group present here, it donates electron due to plus I effect, and this oxygen gets more electron, it becomes unstable. Here 2 carbons are there, they pushes electrons. Here 3 carbons are there, they all pushes electron. So it is quite unstable and it is quite stable. This is the acidic properties, all about the acidic properties of alcohol. The alcohol shows acidic as well as basic properties, and this is all about this.